how a simple, everyday coin can quietly reflect an entire nation's identity and economic journey? This small 50 Bani coin from Romania is often overlooked, yet it carries powerful national symbols. Millions have used it without ever stopping to truly look at its details. Stay with this video till the end, because this ordinary coin has an extraordinary story to tell. Welcome to Numis Explorer. This video is proudly presented by Numis Explorer, a channel dedicated to uncovering the real history, meaning, and value hidden inside coins from around the world. Today, we are taking a deep and honest look at the Romania 50 Bani coin dated 2009, a modern circulation coin that plays an important role in the country's post-reform monetary system. Although this coin is still commonly found in daily transactions, very few people understand why it looks the way it does or what it represents. In this video, we will explore its background, design, material, purpose, and significance using only real and verified information. This is not about hype or false rarity claims, but about true numismatic knowledge. If you enjoy learning about real coins with real stories, then this episode on Numis Explorer is for you. The Romania 50 Bani 2009 coin belongs to the modern leu currency system that was introduced after the major monetary reform of 2005. Before this reform, Romania used an old leu that had become impractical due to inflation and large numerical values. The government decided to revalue the currency by removing 4 zeros, creating a simpler and more efficient system. The new leu, known as RON, was designed to support everyday transactions while restoring public confidence in the national currency. The 50 Bani denomination quickly became one of the most practical coins in circulation. By 2009, this system was fully established, and the coin reflects a period of economic stabilization and modernization. On the obverse side of the 50 Bani 2009 coin, the word Romania is clearly engraved along the upper edge, immediately identifying the issuing country. At the center of the coin is Romania's national coat of arms, one of the most important symbols of the state. The eagle shown in the coat of arms represents strength, independence, and historical continuity. In its beak, the eagle holds a cross, symbolizing faith and national tradition. The shield on its chest represents Romania's historic regions, bringing together different parts of the country into one unified emblem. Small stars surrounding the design add visual balance and subtly reflect Romania's European identity. The year 2009 appears at the bottom, marking the exact moment this coin entered circulation. The reverse side of the coin focuses entirely on clarity and function, which is essential for a modern circulation coin. A large and bold 50 dominates the center, making the denomination easy to recognize at a glance. Beneath the number, the word Bani is engraved in capital letters, separated by a horizontal line that adds structure to the design. This simple layout ensures that the coin can be quickly identified by people of all ages, including those with limited eyesight. There are no unnecessary decorative elements on the reverse, because the goal is efficiency rather than ornamentation. This clean design reflects modern European coin standards. The Romania 50 Bani 2009 coin is made from brass-plated steel, a material chosen for durability and cost efficiency. Brass plating gives the coin its golden appearance, helping it stand out from lower denominations while remaining affordable to produce in large quantities. Steel at the core ensures strength and resistance to bending, which is essential for coins used daily. The coin has a diameter of approximately 23.75 millimeters and a balanced weight that feels comfortable in hand. Its smooth edge makes it easy to stack and handle. Every physical detail of this coin was carefully planned to maximize usability and lifespan. This coin was minted by the Romanian State Mint, also known as Monetaria Statului, which has a long history of producing high-quality coins. By 2009, the mint was using modern technology to ensure consistency in thickness, engraving, and metal composition. The quality of strike seen on most examples of the 2009 issue reflects this expertise. Even after years of circulation, the main design elements usually remain clear and readable. This shows that the coin was built not just for appearance, but for long-term everyday use. From an economic point of view, the 50 Bani coin plays a crucial role in Romania's cash economy. It is commonly used in retail pricing, public transport, and small purchases. This video is brought to you by Numis Explorer, a channel where we uncover the real stories behind coins that are often ignored or misunderstood. Today's episode focuses on the Romania 50 Bani coin dated 2014, a modern circulation coin that reflects Romania's economic stability and national pride in the 21st century. This is not a rare treasure coin, but it is an important historical object used by millions of people. In this video, we will explore every authentic detail of the coin, including its background, design, composition, purpose, and place in Romania's monetary system. Numis Explorer believes that every coin has a story, and this one is no exception. The Romania 50 Bani 2014 coin belongs to the revalued leu currency system known as RON, which was introduced in 2005 after a major monetary reform. This reform removed 4 zeros from the old leu to control inflation and simplify daily transactions. By 2014, the new system was well established, and coins like the 50 Bani played a vital role in everyday commerce. The 50 Bani denomination represents half of 1 leu, making it an essential unit for pricing and small purchases. Its continued use shows that the reform successfully created a functional and balanced currency system. On the obverse side of the coin, the word Romania is clearly engraved along the upper rim, immediately identifying the issuing country. At the center, the national coat of arms of Romania is displayed with precision and authority. The eagle shown in the emblem is a long-standing symbol of strength, sovereignty, and vigilance. In its beak, the eagle holds a cross, representing faith and historical continuity. The shield on the eagle's chest includes symbols of Romania's historic regions, emphasizing unity and national identity. Small stars surrounding the design add balance and subtle European symbolism. At the bottom, the year 2014 marks the coin's minting date. The reverse side of the 50 Bani 2014 coin is designed with clarity and practicality in mind. A large 50 dominates the upper portion, ensuring the denomination is instantly recognizable. Below the number, a horizontal line separates it from the word Bani, which is engraved in bold capital letters. This clean and simple layout allows the coin to be easily identified in fast-paced transactions. The lack of decorative elements on the reverse reflects modern European coin design standards, where functionality takes priority over ornamentation. The coin is made from brass-plated steel, a material chosen for durability, affordability, and longevity. The brass plating gives the coin its golden color, helping it stand out visually from smaller denominations. The steel core provides strength and resistance to bending or damage during circulation. The coin has a diameter of approximately 23.75 millimeters and a balanced weight that feels solid in hand. The smooth edge allows for easy stacking and handling. These physical characteristics make it ideal for daily use. The Romania 50 Bani 2014 coin was minted by the Romanian State Mint, known as Monetaria Statului. By this time, the mint was using advanced minting technology to ensure consistent quality and precision. The details on most 2014 examples remain clear even after years of circulation, which speaks to the high production standards. The coin was produced in large quantities to meet national demand, ensuring availability across the country. Economically, the 50 Bani coin plays a practical and meaningful role in Romania's cash economy. It is commonly used in retail stores, public transport, markets, and everyday transactions. Unlike in some countries where low-value coins lose relevance, the 50 Bani remains actively used. This shows careful planning by monetary authorities to maintain balance between coins and banknotes. The 2014 issue reflects a period of relative economic stability and confidence. From a collector's perspective, the Romania 50 Bani 2014 coin is considered a common circulation coin. It is not rare, and its market value is usually close to face value. However, it holds educational and historical importance. Many collectors include it in modern Romania sets or world coin collections. Beginners often start with such coins because they are affordable and easy to find. The coin serves as a perfect example of modern European circulation coinage. The condition of the coin can vary widely depending on circulation. Uncirculated examples show sharper edges, brighter surfaces, and clearer details in the coat of arms. Circulated coins often show scratches, dullness, and wear that reflect real-life use. These marks tell the story of the coin's journey through countless hands and transactions. For many collectors, this wear adds authenticity and character. When comparing the 2014 issue with earlier years like 2009, the design and specifications remain consistent. Romania deliberately maintained the same design to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.